Good morning. How are you all? Yes, so far we have completed 3 units in our grade 5 syllabus. In today's class, we are going to start unit number 4. Before going to the class, let me ask you something. What is the boy doing in this picture? Yes, the boy is crying. Usually, there are different types of emotions expressed by our heart. Happiness, sadness, confusion, fear, and sometimes we may feel like crying. In today's class, we are going to read a poem named Crying. Let us see the poem, children. Crying only a little bit is no use. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. In these lines, the poet says that if we cry a little bit, there is no use of crying at all. So, you must cry until your pillow is soaked. Soaked means to become completely wet. Look at this picture, children. The shirt is soaked inside the water. The dried beans are soaked in the water. Okay, let us see the next line of the poem. Then you can jump in the shower and splash, splash, splash. Splash is the sound made by water. So the poet advises, after crying, we must jump in the shower and take a bath. Now, what is meant by shower, children? Here you could see the water splashing. So, in the first stanza, the poet is asking us to cry until we feel satisfied, until our pillow is soaked, and after crying, we must take a bath. Now let us see the second stanza, children. Then you can throw open your window. Then the poet is asking us to open the window and laugh. Ha 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 ha. If people say, hey, what's going on up there? Ha ha, sing back. Happiness was hiding in the last year. I wept it, ha ha. The meaning of this stanza is, you have to cry, and after crying, you have to take a bath. Then you must forget all your feelings. You have to open the window, get a cool breeze, then relax yourself and laugh from the bottom of your heart. Ha ha ha. If people ask, why are you laughing like this? Hey, what's going on up there? You can again laugh at them and sing back. Happiness was hiding in the last year. Okay. Why the poet is telling this is, whenever we feel depressed, our heart feels like crying. So, when you cry out, all your feelings will come out in the form of tears. So, after then, you can relax and move on with your work. The meaning of the word wept is to cry. Okay. W-E-E-P is the word weep. Okay, the past tense of the word weep is wept. This poem is written by the poet Galway Kinnell. This is Galway Kinnell, children. Okay. He was born on February 1, 1927, and he was died on October 28, 2014. He was an American poet. He won the Pulitzer Prize for Poetry for his collection, selected poems and split the National Book Award for Poetry with Charles Wright. Okay, this is some information about Galway Kinnell, the poet of the poem Crying. Dear children, I hope you understood the poem Crying. It's just a simple poem with just 2 stanzas. If you have any doubt, you can contact your English teacher. Okay, let us see the new words and its meaning. Soaked. Soaked means to become completely wet. Then shower. Shower means bath in which the water is sprayed from above. Okay. So this is a shower. Wept. Wept means to shed tears or cried. Here are some activities given for your home fun children. You have to answer these questions. Okay. See, according to the poet, should you cry a little or should you cry a lot? So you have to find out the answer. You have to write in your English note. Okay. So you have to read all these activities and you have to write in your note. These 3 questions are also given for your home fun children. You have to think about yourself and you have to write. Okay. See, the next one, say aloud. Dash, bash, splash, cash, trash. So, look at the last letters of all the words. It ends with SH in common. So, these words are called as rhyming words. Okay. So, the words ending with a similar sound are called as rhyming words. Look at this. Steer, tear, clear, dear and deer. Okay. So likewise the words ending with similar letters or similar sounds are called as rhyming words. Okay. The word happiness ends in ness and comes from the word happy. Write 3 words that end in the same way. Which the words do they come from? So you have to find any 3 words like happiness and you have to write in the dash given. The next activity is, this is like just a fill-ups children. You have to read the fill-ups and you have to answer. Okay. Then creative writing. Narrate an incident when you have experienced happiness, excitement. Excitement means more happy. Okay. Excited means to become more happy. Surprise. You can use the following clues. Okay. You have to write at least 4 or 5 lines. Okay. You can write with whom were you happy, when did it happen, why did it happen and where did it happen. Using these clue words you have to write a short paragraph about the incident. So that's all for today's class children. We have given the poem for reading and some of the questions to answer and some fill-ups, then the creative writing. That's all for today's class children. If you have any doubts regarding the class or regarding your home fun, you can contact your English teacher. Thank you children.